Hello and welcome, guys. So I am here again with a new Moodle 4.3 enhancement. Yes, you can see here the TinyMCE. So lots of improvement in TinyMCE you can see, and this one itself is a default editor from the 4.3. So in the Moodle 4.2, the auto editor was the default one, but here in 4.3, TinyMCE have been used as a default. Now you will also see the full screen mode that was earlier not available in this TinyMCE in previous version here. So let's get started with the demo and how it looks like. Now here, if you come to the list of plugins under this, and again I am logging with the admin credential here. You can search here for editor, the text editor. Ideally you will find this editor on this page at the end of this web page. Now under manage editors, you see here the TinyMCE is coming on top. So top means this one will be used as a default one. Now coming to the course edit, so let me come here under course edit. You see here this one is not a auto editor, it's this one is a TinyMCE. You see here the logo, and also you can, by clicking, you will be redirected to this tiny cloud site. So during this edit mode, whatever content you paste here, you can edit or update. Okay, let me some demo content here from the lorem ipsum. Let's see, I just copy this one, I just pasted here. And if you want to edit in a full screen mode, you can also do that. Okay, so if you come to in full screen mode and you are accessing the desktop, it will be more easy or more feasible way you can edit the stuffs like the text you want to make italic, underline. So this kind of stuffs, you can, the visibility will be increased. You can also use browser feature like the zoom in, zoom out. So here if you come to know this auto editor, you will see, so almost the similar feature you will find here as you find in MS Word. You can edit the very similar or smooth way like you edit in MS Word. Okay, if you copy this, you can copy. If you want to paste it, you can just simply paste it. Okay, if you want to insert table, you can also do this like this. Okay, row insert, if you want, you can do that. The tool here, you will see the source code from here itself. Okay, you can see the source code whatever you have written here. Now let me exit this full screen mode, and if you click on this dot, you will also see like this the other feature, like if you want to make it left aligned, center, and this right align. Okay, so hope you will enjoy this improvement that is coming from the Moodle, that is included in Moodle 4.3. So thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.